Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to make these felt heart ornaments using just a few supplies, many of which you probably have on hand. We're going to use some felt, we're going to use some beads, some buttons, and maybe even some little rhinestones or jewels to decorate our hearts. These are great for Valentine's Day, for birthdays. They're great for like a little girl's room if you want to turn them into a garland. You can add them as an accent to a gift, or you can make them into little ornaments like we're going to do here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the supplies and then I will show you how to make them. Okay, for supplies, we're going to use some beads. These are some beads that I found from Amazon. We're going to need some polyfill stuffing. We'll need something to trace the heart. So I bought this little wooden heart from Hobby Lobby. You can also use a die if you have one, like this little silver die here, and cut it out with a die cutting machine, or you can just simply, hand draw a heart yourself and cut that out. You're going to need an embroidery needle, some twine, some scissors, and of course some felt, and then to glue everything together, a hot glue gun. So let's go ahead and get started. So my heart is about 3 inches across. If you just want to get a gauge of how big they are, you can make them any size you like, but I found that this size works best for an ornament. And then I'm just using a fabric marker here to trace my shape. You can use a chalk pencil or a regular pencil or a pen, and then you can just make this side of the felt the inside of the ornament so it doesn't show through. By using a fabric marker, this will dissolve, and so the lines won't be visible in the event I don't cut them all off. So I'm just going to cut out 2 hearts, one for the front and one for the back. And now we can move on to our next step, which is going to be to attach the little hook that we can use to attach the ornament to a Christmas tree or to a garland or however you want to use it. So I cut about a 12-inch piece of twine here. I'm going to get a couple of beads and I'm just going to see which designs work best for this felt. And then we can go ahead and thread our twine through our embroidery needle. So I just kind of squeeze really hard at the edge of the twine there just to get it through. And then I'm just going to place my beads on one at a time, making sure that the direction of the XOXO is going the right way so that it appears right side up when I put the ornament together. And then I'm just going to run the thread through the beads once again, just so that I can make an ornament hook. And then I'm going to secure those ends by tying a knot, and then we'll have a knot at the bottom of the beads, and then we'll have a little hook that we can then stick out through the top of the ornament. So once I've completed that step, then I'm going to just take my glue gun and just add a strip of glue right down the center of the heart. And then I'm just going to place my twine right on top of that so that there's a little hook coming out of the top, and then the beads are sticking out of the bottom. And now I'm going to add glue to the edges of 1/2 of the heart, because now we're just going to start putting our ornament together and getting it ready to be stuffed. I'm just going to press down on the hot glue. You could also, if you wanted to, you could sew this together with embroidery thread, but the hot glue gun, I found it just goes really, really fast and works well. So if you need to get a lot of ornaments done, it's probably quicker to use glue. But if you like the look and you have the time, then you can use embroidery floss. So then once we finish that side, then we'll go ahead and I'm going to glue about half of the remaining side, leaving a little space that we can then push the filling through, and then we'll seal it up completely. So I'm going to add the stuffing in a little bit at a time, and I'm just going to use my pointer tool here to kind of press the filling into the edges of the heart just to make sure it gets nice and stuffed. You really need to do this a little bit at a time to make sure that you stuff the heart fully and that you don't cause the glue to kind of break or come apart. So you need to be a little bit gentle. But you do want to make sure that you get enough stuffing in there. So once I get that finished, then I'm just going to squeeze the edges of the opening and just apply the glue and just hold it for a second. So I'm just going to squeeze gently, being careful not to get the glue on my fingers. I am using a low temp glue gun. I always use low temp glue guns instead of high temp, just so that you avoid, giving yourself a nasty burn if your skin should come in contact. And for felt, a low temp glue gun is just fine. Now we're going to get to the fun part, or the more fun part. I guess the whole ornament is fun. We're going to decorate the ornament, and I just had some little rhinestones that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to add those in a little design here. And I'm just going to place a little drop of hot glue, and then I'll apply my little flat backed rhinestone. And that looks really cute to me. So now let's go ahead and try a couple of other designs here. So I'm going to get out my little Valentine's Day buttons. I have a bunch of buttons in pink and red and light pink. So I found one that I thought would look cute. I had a little piece of scrap felt. So I'm just going to cut out a little leaf. And all I'm doing is just cutting out a piece of felt that is tapered. It's like a tapered oval. It's really that simple. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to have some little green strips kind of sticking out. And we're going to make a little flower here. So I'm going to add one of the little green leaves to either side of the center of the heart. And then I'm going to add my little pink button on top. And it's going to just look like this cute little Valentine's Day flower right in the center. And that is another idea to decorate these little ornaments. So I just love how cute that is. I love how it matches with the little Valentine's Day beads. So let's look at some other versions. So here is the one that we made earlier with the rhinestones. I have another version with a little flower, but that one's off to the side. This one, I just let the felt speak for itself. So those beautiful little gold dots are the decorations. Here we have a pretty plain and simple version. Another one with red and white dotted felt. And there the beads are on the top, so they're coming out of the hook. And that is it. I hope that this video inspired you to go out and make your own heartfelt ornaments. They're great for Valentine's Day. It's great for a garland. It's great to add as an accent to a gift or to a card. It's just a sweet little gift, and I think that anyone that you make it for would really love it. I hope you have a great day, everyone, and I will see you again soon in the next video.